Hey Dropboard guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rakibul Islam from Tamil Millat Kamil Madrasa and I have been diving into freelance video editing. Today let's talk real. How most beginner editor fail and how we can avoid it. So first one, which is cool effect and gear but forget the story. We copy edit without knowing why they works. Hours passed, we stop practicing thinking we are already good. The second one, mentality. Freelancing isn't easy money. It's rejection, pressure and growth. If you are in it just for cash, you will quit. Stay consistent, win one claps. Number 3 is wrong expectation. 2 reels won't bring client. Going viral isn't the goal. Freelancing is unstable. Use it, build your brand or launch something bigger, not as your final destination. So, what to do? Focus on story, not effect. Edit daily, even for 15 minutes. Know your client's goal. Build your own style. Grow your mindset with skill. Freelancing is the start, not the finish. Keep learning, keep building. If you are still here, respect. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.